Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a road complaint effectively. First, clearly identify the specific road issue you want to report, whether it's a pothole, a broken traffic sign, or poor drainage. Then, gather essential details like the precise location, the date you observed the problem, and a brief description of the issue. Many local governments offer online portals or dedicated phone lines for such reports, so finding the right channel is your initial step. When documenting the problem, be as specific as possible. Note the exact street address or the nearest cross street. Describe the issue clearly. For instance, state if it is a pothole, a faded crosswalk, or a missing street sign. Include the approximate size or severity, like a pothole measuring 2 feet wide and 4 inches deep. If it's safe to do so, capture clear photos or a short video from multiple angles, as visual evidence is incredibly helpful for the authorities. Most complaints are filed through your city or county's public works department. Navigate to their official website and look for sections typically labeled Report a Concern or Service Requests. Here, you will find an online form where you can input all the details you gathered, including any uploaded photos. If an online option isn't available or you prefer speaking with someone, simply call your local public works office during their regular business hours to submit your report over the phone. After submitting your complaint, always record any reference or tracking number provided. This is your key to monitoring progress. You should expect an initial acknowledgement within a few business days, confirming receipt of your report. If available, use your tracking number to check the status online on the department's website. If you haven't received an update or seen any action after a reasonable period, for example, 2 weeks, it's perfectly fine to politely contact the department again to inquire about the status of your reported issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.